Are you tired of struggling with cookware that sticks, scratches, and demands endless scrubbing? Say goodbye to those kitchen woes with this Sensarte Nonstick Sauce Pan with Lid Saucepan Set, an advanced kitchen solution designed to simplify your cooking and cleaning experience. Engineered with a Swiss ILAG granite nonstick coating, PFOA-free materials, and induction-compatible stainless steel bases, this set is the epitome of functionality and style. Whether you're preparing a hearty soup, a delicate sauce, or a quick oatmeal breakfast, the Sensarte Saucepan Set is here to transform the way you cook. Its innovative features, such as a drip-free pouring design and stay-cool handles, make it a practical yet elegant choice for any kitchen. Key features that set the Sensarte Saucepan apart. 1. Swiss nonstick coating for effortless cooking. At the heart of this cookware lies the Swiss ILAG granite coating, which ensures a truly non-stick experience. This SGS-approved surface allows you to cook with minimal oil, making it perfect for health-conscious chefs. Forget about food sticking to the bottom, even when cooking delicate recipes like caramel or creamy sauces. 2. Versatility. Across all stovetops, equipped with a high magnetic conductive stainless steel base, this saucepan set is compatible with all stovetops, including induction. The cast aluminum core ensures rapid and even heating, so you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your meals. 3. User-friendly and convenient design. The Sensarte Saucepan Set features two sizes, 1.5 quart and 2.5 quart, making it ideal for small families or individual portions. The thoughtful lip rim design ensures drip-free pouring, minimizing mess and keeping your kitchen spotless. 4. Durable and stylish construction. The tempered glass lids allow you to monitor your food while it cooks without lifting the lid. Meanwhile, the wood-grain bakelite handles stay cool to the touch, ensuring a safe and comfortable cooking experience. Plus, these saucepans are oven-safe up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, adding versatility to your culinary repertoire. 5. Easy to clean and maintain. Cleaning cookware is often a dreaded chore, but not with the Sensarte Saucepan Set. The non-stick coating and rivet-free interior make cleaning a breeze. Simply wipe it with a sponge and warm, soapy water. Why the Sensarte Saucepan Set is a must-have? Durability meets style. This set isn't just practical, it's also stylish. The sleek granite finish and ergonomic design make it a visual and functional asset to any kitchen. Plus, the materials used are not only durable, but also safe, with no harmful chemicals to worry about. Healthy cooking, simplified. The non-stick surface means you can use less oil, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Whether you're preparing sauces, soups, or grains, this cookware ensures perfect results every time. Perfect for everyday use. Compact, versatile, and easy to store, these saucepans are perfect for daily cooking. Their thoughtful design and high-performance materials make them a reliable choice for both amateur cooks and seasoned chefs. Real-world applications and benefits. Cooking made easy for all stoves. Whether you have an induction cooktop, gas stove, or electric range, the Sensarte Saucepan Set is ready to deliver consistent performance. The even heat distribution ensures that your food is cooked perfectly, every time. Ideal for small portions. These saucepans are the perfect size for preparing single servings or small meals. They're especially handy for quick recipes like reheating soup, preparing oatmeal, or making a single serving sauce. Who should buy the Sensarte Saucepan Set? This saucepan set is ideal for health-conscious individuals who want to reduce oil usage without sacrificing flavor. Busy professionals seeking quick and easy cookware for everyday meals. Families looking for durable, safe, and stylish kitchen essentials. Home chefs who want reliable and versatile tools in their kitchen arsenal. Conclusion: elevate your cooking with Sensarte. This Sensarte Nonstick Sauce Pan with Lid Saucepan Set is a thoughtfully designed, high-performing addition to any kitchen. From its superior Swiss granite coating to its versatile design, this cookware set offers unmatched convenience and style. If you're ready to upgrade your cooking experience, this saucepan set is a purchase you won't regret. Its health-friendly features, durable construction, and stylish design make it a worthwhile investment. Don't wait. Add the Sensarte Saucepan Set to your cart today and redefine the way you cook. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.